Nothing? Ice cream truck! Yeah. So many ice cream. Wow, it's amazing. Yay! Wow. Chris, let's go inside. Awesome.
Okay.
Cool. Chris, look. I love the school vanilla. Yummy. Let's come here. Oh yeah. I have chocolate. I have strawberry. Yay. What? Mommy? Mommy?
What are you doing in my truck?
We just want to see what's inside.
No problem. I'll show you everything that I have. This is a refrigerator with some drinks. This I have some ice cream by scoops. Do you want to try by yourself?
Yeah.
Let's go. Choose your ice cream.
I choose strawberry. Oh, what do you like? Chocolate and caramel.
I think chocolate. And add some nuts, please. Oh, it will be so nice.
It's very nice.
Thank you. I like it. Do you want waffles? Okay. Let's make waffles.
Yeah.
Look, and mix it. Good job, please. Let's do it. And wait 1 minute. Okay.
This is for you. So delicious.
Thank you. Smooth. And milk. This is for you, Whitey. Take it, please. But remember, don't eat too much ice cream.
Thank you, Mom. Have a good day. Okay. Ta-da! Carbo sale! Carbo sale! Carbo sale!
New cars. That's what I need.
Do you need a new car?
I have one coin.
Mine first. Okay.
Number 4. We need a new car. Money first. Here's your car. Okay. This is your car. Number 7.
This is what I need. I love it. Do you like this guy? Give me money, please. Oh. Number 3. Thank you. Bye-bye. Car for sale. Oh, car for sale. Car for sale. I need this car. Money. Okay, car's yours. Bye-bye. See you later. No parking here. It's our car! Hey, stop! It's our car!
No, go, go, go!
Huh? Hey, stop! Hey, stop! It's my car! It's my lifter! Bon appetit! Do you like apples? No parking here! Excuse me!
Okay.
Oh, remember rules! Ta-da! Car for sale! Car for sale! Chris, it's my car! Money! Huh? I don't have money! No money! No car! Okay. Oh, it's my car! Yellow, red, blue, pink. Yellow. Pink. Pink car in a yellow garage. We need to fix it. I will fix it. Bye! Wow, what is that? Let's paint this car. Yay, beautiful color! Pink. Yellow, red, blue, pink. Our house is broken. Mom, we need a new house.
I have an idea. Let's go.
Yeah!
I have your house. Where you look?
But they need to keep the wall.
You need the money to get the key.
Now I get $1. Got the red. I have $5. Yay! I have a blue key.
I have 100. I have a green key. Number one, let's find. This is yellow.
Huh? I have blue color.
This is your floor. Come on. Please, go back.
Wow, so huge room. So nice bed. Wow, TV. There's the kitchen there. I like it.
I have third floor. Wow, my room. Oh, my new room. I like it. I like pink color. Okay. Oh, my kitchen. Sofa for my kitchen.
Okay, let's clean up. Done. Time to open your suitcase. Wow! Yeah, it's so big. Dad, I want some tea.
Okay.
Okay, I have the tea. Let's watch TV. What's wrong with it? What's that? Hey, stop! Hey, stop! He stole my box!
We need to catch him.
Let's do it! Let's ask Mommy. Mommy, I'm hungry. What do you want? I'm hungry. Okay, no worries. 1 second. Milk and eggs.
Okay. Yummy pancakes.
Chris! Chris! Pancake is ready. This is for you. Thank you, Mommy. I want to.
No worries.
Mom, do you like eggs? Let's go. Okay. Wow.
Help me! House in the fire!
Don't worry, ma'am. I will help you.
Boys, we need a new house! Yeah! Let's go, boys!
Passengers for flight, please go to gate 89.
Ooh, I'm so excited!
Who is next? Come here! Hi!
Hello!
So, here you are. Let's check one side. Wait a minute. Oh, Chris, it's you. But something wrong with your baggage.
Oops!
Let's check it. Let's take a look. Aha!
Caramba!
Chris, candies not allowed.
Okay, sir, but can I take my toys?
Okay, Chris, you can take your toys, but candies not allowed. Here you go. Have a good flight. Bye bye.
Hi!
Hello.
Can you help me with my luggage?
Of course I can.
Officer, are you okay? Officer?
I'm okay. Let's check your baggage.
Oof, okay.
Nicole, don't you know there is a weight limit for your baggage?
Okay, officer. Thank you.
Have a good flight.
Bye.
Bye. Who's next? Come to here.
Hi, officer.
Hello, it's you. So let's check your baggage. Let's see what's inside. It's Kitty. Mike, let's check your case. Come on. Kitty. Goody, goody, goody. It's such a good kitty. But animals not allowed.
It's just a toy.
Oh, okay, Mike. You can leave it.
No.
So, go, Mike. Have a good flight. Bye bye.
Cavalier.
Okay.
Hi.
Interesting.
Everything's okay?
Yes, sir. Here's your passport.
Bye.
Bye.
How are you? Hello.
Hi.
Here's my passport.
Thank you. Everything is okay.
Have a good day, officer.
Bye bye.
Hawaii. Oh, there.
Hi. Your passport? Okay. Here's your passport. Have a good flight. Bye bye.
Hey, Mike. Hey. Yummy. Crazy? Where did you get the candy? From Wendy machine. Oh, give me.
Welcome aboard, little passengers. Oh! No candies on my plane. Yum yum yum.
Guys, what are we gonna do? We need a lot of candy. No problem. Let's party! Where's your candy? It's not working. Haha, you failed. I got a plan. I will be back. Let's put candies inside. Hey, stop. I forgot something.
Okay.
Where's Chris? I don't know. Here I am. Where you got the fishing rope? I'll show you guys. You're almost there, Chris. Do it.
What?
Almost there.
What is this? Ha! Candy!
Oh
No fishing on my plane.
no! Oh no! Fail! It's my turn! Girl power! Huh? What did she say?
Hey? Beer?
Like this. Ah, a bear? I told you that girls will do it. It's not really.
May I have your tickets? Your ticket, young lady? Sir, your ticket? Sir? Excuse me, sir. You should leave the plane if you have not the ticket.
My bear! Fail!
Fasten your seatbelt. Let's go.
Huh? What? Alaska? Huh? What's this? Guys, come on! What is that? Oh, this is my dog! Huh? Such a good girl. And I have a cat. I have a goldfish.
I'm hungry.
Let's feed it. Beautiful fish. So beautiful. Guys, look what I have 3D printer. Wow! It can print real toys. Do you want one? Yes, we do. Okay. Nicole, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Wow! I love him. Can I have something too? Okay. Chris, your car is ready. Wow, so fast. It's a special car. Wow, I want to ride it. Wow, it's blue. You have to ride it to change the color. Wow. I don't like pink color. Now it's my favorite color, yellow. Nicole, I'm hungry. Don't worry, Chris. I can cook everything. Eat. Wow. Wow. How are we supposed to eat this? Try using this. Wow. I want some. Wow. It's a bunny. Now it's my turn. Wow! That's a gumball! Whoa, I'm yellow! I'm blue. It's our time! Boys, do you like it? Nicole, look what we have! Wow, it's so cool! But this is not my color! Here you go, Nicole! Thank you, Nicole! Yay! Wow, it's kinetic sand! Wow, it's full of slime! It's slime! Wow! Guys, let's mix it together! Yeah! I have orange. What color is it gonna be? So cool! I see orange. More sprinkles! Yay! I want marshmallows. Maybe they're under the bed? Huh, what's that? Oh, Chris, what's that? Marshmallows. Oh, guys, look! Boys, enough sweet. Okay. Huh? Magic button? Okay. Oh, wow! Where is Chris? Let's check. Chris, are you here? Mommy? Where can we meet you? In a secret room. Where? In secret room. Chris, I have a special and interesting place for you. Yeah! Let's go. Good luck, Chris. Don't forget to wash your hands. Wash my hands? Okay. It's not working. Just look around. Oh. I see something. Wow.
Chris, it's not the right gift. Don't give up and keep searching.
Okay. What is that? Wow. Found the key!
Chris, it's not for garbage. You have to solve this ball.
Mommy?
Hurry up.
The door's open! Washing machine? What's behind this door? Let's check. Oh, Mommy.
Hi, Chris. Find the key.
Okay. Maybe it's here? Oh, the key. No key here. Let's go to the next one. Whoa! Looks not that door. Yeah. I found the key! Door's open, let's go!
Chris, go. This way, I think. To the left. See you, Chris.
I'm so strong. Let's go. I'm so strong.
Chris, try faster.
Oh, cool, the door's open.
Good job, Chris win.
Yeah, next room. So many cubes. Oh, bird, hammer, key. Okay.
Chris, use the tape.
Give me the key. Okay. Okay, let's connect the pipes.
Chris, use your imagination and connect the pipe right.
I'm done.
Okay, let's try. You can try another one.
Oopsie. Not that. Found the key. Oh, let's go. Mommy, help me. I'm here.
Oh, Chris, you need to connect the puzzles and destroy this wall.
Okay, Mommy. Let's go. Easy peasy.
Okay.
I'm not ready. Let's go.